So this is Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 25th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices coming down towards this 127, from which we found support, had found further support in around 27.56, from which we have seen the bullish move beyond the 27.56, so into this area of confluence of not only the horizontal level of 28.59, but we've also got the 200 and 400 period moving averages crossing. So we've had prices test the 28.59, pretty much a perfect test of 28.59, from which you have seen the sell side momentum return to the market, had a brief pullback towards our 200 period average, but we've now had a true test of 27.56. And while we've broken beneath the 27.56, we do appear to be breaking back above the 27.56. So if we can break and hold above the 27.56, we're looking for prices to retest the 28.59 with that a confluence of the 400 period moving average, pretty much an area where we previously encountered resistance here on the euro against the yen. If we do see volatility to bring us beyond the 28.59, we're looking for a move towards that 129, a successful break from which we're looking for prices to head up towards that 129.45 here on the euro against the yen. If, however, we are not able to break and hold above the 27.56, if we do break back beneath, failure to break back above the 27.56, we're looking for price head down to 26.84, and if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 26.84, the very next level of note of potential horizontal support beyond the 26.84 is a move down towards that 25.80 here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the higher time frame, see how prices have been developing. So we'll have a look here at the monthly chart first, so we get scale on here correct. And as we can see here on this monthly chart, we've had this consistent move to the upside, a pretty strong bearish engulfing candle, brief pullback before posting another rather bearish candle, very large bearish candle. We did see some buying coming into the end of that month. We did see the follow through so far in June, but the move to higher prices have been rejected, and we do appear to be having a bit of sell-side momentum coming to the end of the month here in June. So we'll look to see whether we do see that follow through to the downside, and whether we do see prices head down towards the 120, is it 124? I think it's the 124s we'll be looking at. Yep, in around that 124.65. If we do see that follow through to the downside, if we aren't able to hold the horizontal supports beneath, possibly even at 25.80, after which we'll be looking for price head down towards that 24.65, our most recent low here in the market. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. And over on this weekly chart, we can see here we had a pre-sharp sell-off, brief recovery, further sell-off. Pulse is very large wick on this candle after going down for trading all the way down towards that 24.65. So it's very large wick to the upside. We sort of follow through to the upside, but we've not been able to claim any of the significant levels to the upside here on the euro against the yen. Instead, what we have seen is above is further sell side momentum coming to the market. We have not seen that follow through to the downside at present, but we have seen prices reject higher prices, so there remains a possibility of, in the medium term, seeing prices head down towards the 24.65. See if we do form a bit of a double bottom and see prices start to head back up. Here, let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart for wrapping it all up. And here on this daily chart, let's just see. So on this daily chart, we had a sharp sell-off, brief recovery, formed a bit of a flag here on the euro yen, posted a bearish engulfing candle, brief consolidation, further sell-side momentum, but we do appear to be forming a bit of a base at present here on the euro yen, while we've rejected higher prices up at the 28.59. If we do hold our base, possibly we're looking at a higher low and seeing prices head further to the upside. But if we do break down, it remains a possibility of testing the most recent swing low here in the market from a daily chart perspective and head down towards that 24.65. So we see if we do hold these horizontal supports, and if we do hold this base for a move to the upside, but failing that, possibly 24.65 may come into focus. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.